intensity due to point charge? Akansha, what is formula for intensity due to point charge? Yes, Akansha?
1/4 pi epsilon naught into Q upon R square.
Correct. Into Q upon R square is perfect. Then for electric dipole at axis, what is formula? 1/4 pi epsilon 2p upon RQ. No?
Yes.
And equator, then 1/4 pi epsilon p upon RQ. Okay?
Yes.
Itna you know. And flux also you know. It is nothing but charge inside the closed surface upon epsilon naught, which is E ds bar ka integration. Okay? Now, define electric potential, and then I will explain you what is its derivation. Have I done this electric potential derivation for you all? Yes, I have done electric potential derivation.
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Take it. Electric potential. Any of you have been to gym anytime? Gym?
Yes, sir.
Okay. There we go to build the potential or to lose our potential energy.
Build our potential. Build, sir.
That means we want to store the energy in our body, which is by different shape of position configuration of our hand. अपना ये arms में ऐसा bulging हो गया मतलब अंदर stored energy आ गया. So you do work against the gravity or along the gravity? Against. जितना भी against gravitational काम करेंगे तो अपना बॉडी का अंदर स्टेमिना डेवलप होएगा, muscles will become stronger and so on. So whenever work is done against force, then only we can say that there is some potential developed in the body. So if this is charge q, इसका attraction repulsion किधर तक रहेगा? बहुत दूर तक रहता है ना? Hello?
Yes.
But
yes,
when
sir.
distance becomes infinity, तो ये force of attraction zero हो जाएगा. Anything upon zero is infinity is zero.
Yes. Yes.
So we assume that at very far distance, that is infinity, the potential is zero because there is no force acting at that distance to repel any charge. So if I bring a test charge from infinity, test charge matlab that charge which is produced by losing single electron, उसको बोलते हैं test charge और unit positive charge. तो इसको इधर से लाया जैसे फील्ड में आया तो ये रिपेल करेगा ना ऐसा?
Yes.
So whatever work you are doing to retain it over here, that becomes potential at that point. That means work done to move the charge from infinity to certain point A is called as potential at that point A because infinity wala potential is. So if you move charge Q and W is work done, then for one charge work done will be W upon Q. So इसको मैं Q से divide करूँगा, one which is unit. So work done to move unit positive charge from infinity to a point in electric field is called as what? Electric potential at that point. Okay? Not followed?
Followed, sir.
If I move the charge between A and B, the potential of B minus potential of A will be work done to move the charge from A to B. इसको बोलते हैं potential difference. So when you are moving from infinity, it is only potential. From one point to another point, then it is called as what? Potential difference. I hope both part is clear.
Yes, sir.
एक मिनट डेफिनेशन बता देगा. The amount of work done to move unit positive charge from infinity to a point in an electric field is called as electric potential at that point. Amount of work done to move unit positive charge from infinity to a point in an electric field is called as electric potential at that point. Let W be work done to move charge Q from infinity to a point. Therefore, electric potential at that point, comma B, is work upon charge. I hope you followed the definition. Yes, everybody has followed the definition.
Yes.
Copy this much. Okay.
Yes.
What What will be its SI unit? Work is joule, charge is coulomb.
Yes,
So
sir.
joule per coulomb, or also called as volt, denoted by P. It is a scalar quantity because work is a scalar quantity, charge is a scalar, this is scalar quantity. So it is positive for positive charge and negative for negative charge. Positive for positive charge and negative for negative charge. What will be its dimension? Can you tell? Anybody can apply the frame for dimension? Joule means energy. It is M1 L2 T minus 2. Charge is IT. So A1 T1. So can I say its dimension is M1 L2 T minus 3 A minus 1. Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Please copy this much. This is by basic definition we got electric potential. Done, sir. So we now know what is electric potential. It is work done to move the unit positive charge from infinity to point in electric field W upon Q. See, every time we don't want answer in work or force, we want only in charge, because we are doing electrostatic, and in distance. So next is derive expression for electric field intensity. Derive expression for electric field intensity. Oh, sorry, electric field intensity. Derive expression for electric potential at any point due to point charge. So to find electric potential, I require work done, and to get work we require force, and to get force due to electrostatic we require two charges. So we will consider two charges. One is Q, small q, other is capital Q, situated at point A and B. Suppose at distance of x in air, the force between these two charges will be repulsive force F. Against this force, if I push this charge Q by very small distance dx, such that it comes to C, which is at distance R from A. मतलब हम लोग ने बोला क्या, B से पुश किया, C पे लाया, C का डिस्टेंस R है from the charge Q, where we want potential. So logically, we are pushing it from infinity and bringing it up to point C. But to understand, we took small point here. छोटा सा work done निकालूंगा. Then we'll say, suppose we push it from infinity to reach up to point R, then potential at R minus potential at infinity will be work done to move that charge. Now potential at R, this is 0. So potential at R will become work done to move that charge from infinity to a point C, which is at distance R from Q. Logic followed? Hello?
Yes.
देखो, सबसे पहले क्या चाहिए? वर्क. वर्क के लिए क्या चाहिए? फोर्स. फोर्स के लिए क्या चाहिए? दो चार्ज. मास वाला होता, ग्रेविटेशनल होता तो दो मास. So why I started with two charges, that you follow? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Is the force constant everywhere? Electrostatic force, which is given by this formula, is it constant everywhere? You can say, is it constant?
Yes, sir.
No, ना, ये R तो चेंज हुआ ना हर पॉइंट पे. ये चार्ज है Q, इधर Q, कुछ अलग डिस्टेंस है, इधर लाया कुछ अलग डिस्टेंस है, इधर लाया कुछ अलग है ना डिस्टेंस.
Yes, sir.
So force is not constant. So we assume that we push it by very small distance such that force is constant between two points. Then we can say work is force into displacement. Otherwise अगर ये force 10 है, ये 11 है, तो कौन सा force से multiply करें? So small distance we have pushed by that both places it is 10 10. Then force into displacement is small work. Okay? ऐसा छोटा 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 पुश करके इंफिनिटी से R तक लाने का है ना. हेलो हेलो.
Yes, understood.
तो अभी मैं कंसेप्ट समझाया तो आपको स्टार्ट करता हूं दो चार्ज से, फिर छोटा सा पुश देके छोटा वर्क कराएंगे, फिर टोटल वर्क के लिए विल बी यूजिंग मैथमेटिकल कॉन्सेप्ट इंटीग्रेशन. सी हाउ टू स्टार्ट नाउ. Do you know what is integration of x raised to n? dx. What is integration?
Sir, x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1.
n plus 1 plus we write constant of integration. But here if I write a to b, then this we don't write. This is called limit of integration. इसको बोलते हैं upper limit. This is called lower limit. So suppose it is x raised to n dx, or suppose square किया. So can I say it is x raised to 3 upon 3 from a to b? Can I write like this?
Yes, sir.
So this will be b raised to 3 upon 3 minus a raised to 3 upon 3. This is how we solve. Okay. Yes, everybody has followed. Yeah, Ashley, you followed?
Understood, sir.
Yes, sir.
Parvati, Arshita,
Yes, sir.
any doubt?
No, sir.
Please ask her if doubt is there. Again, I am telling, physics will become easier only when doubt is clear. So tell me, what will be integration of r raised to minus 2 dr or x raised to minus 2 dx? What will be integration? X raised to how much? Minus 1, na? Hello?
Yes,
Upon minus 1, correct? So if this is infinity, this is r. Here I will write infinity to r. Not followed?
Followed,
Dhruv?
sir.
Yes. Dhruv, Mayank, Shubham, everybody has followed?
yes, sir. Follow.
देखो ये चैप्टर थोड़ा डेंजरस है. कोई भी चैप्टर डेंजरस नहीं है, बट क्या लेंदी है थोड़ा. सो एक भी पार्ट आपका पिछला वाला भूल जाएंगे ना तो पूछ लेना, सो दैट आई कैन मेक यू अंडरस्टैंड. अभी देखो करना है पोटेंशियल, लेकिन स्टार्ट किधर से करना है? कूलम्स लॉ से. So I can state like this. Consider 2-point charges, small q, comma capital Q, to be situated at distance x in air. Therefore, pi Coulomb's law. Force of repulsion between them, comma F equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q cube upon x square. Let charge capital Q be moved by very small distance dx against force F. Therefore, work done, comma dw is minus force into displacement. Therefore, total work done to move charge Q from infinity to R, comma W is integration of dw from infinity to R. Have you followed till this?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Everybody has followed, because after this it is maths, and maths में you are expert. चलो सबको इधर तक समझा? पार्वती, अर्शिता, आकांक्षा, Ashley?
Yes, sir.
Okay, dear. Please
Yes,
write.
sir.
Copy it in this. Copy.
Done, sir.
Now work is integration of the dw, which is f dx, so 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q upon x square dx. So I can say 1 upon 4 pi epsilon इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ डी डब्ल्यू लिखा था ना मैंने. हेलो, इधर स्टॉप किया था.
Yes, sir.
तो इसका आगे एक लाइन ऐसा आएगा, माइनस एफ डी फ्रॉम इंफिनिटी टू 1. सो माइनस q upon 4 pi epsilon naught q outside inside dx upon x raised to 2 from infinity to r. So minus 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q x raised to minus 2 dx from infinity to r. So this will become minus 1 upon 4 pi epsilon q cube upon 1 x raised to minus 2 is minus 1 upon minus 1 from infinity to r. This minus 1 you can cancel. So q cube upon 4 pi epsilon 1 upon x from infinity to r. So q cube upon 4 pi epsilon naught 1 upon r minus 1 upon infinity. That is q cube upon 4 pi epsilon naught 1 by r 1 by infinity is 0. Just copy till this, then I am completing further. वो आपको बोला कुछ, आपने मार्क कुछ अलग कर दिया है, तो वो जो मैंने अभी भेजा है। हाँ? आएगा तो फोन करना, कुछ भी कर देते हैं, आएगा तो फोन करना। मुझे तो इधर दिखा रहा है डबल क्लिक, मतलब देखा है। ओपन थर्ड क्वेश्चन ओपन करो। हेलो, कंप्लीटेड? हो जाएगा तो फोन करो। Yes, completed.
Done, sir.
So therefore, this will become Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught 1 pi. Therefore, W upon capital Q is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R. Work upon charge is called electric potential. So electric potential, comma V equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon Q by R. Right. Yes. ओपन किया, थर्ड क्वेश्चन देखा, थर्ड वाला, उसमें सी रॉन्ग है, डी भी रॉन्ग है। हाँ, कितने मार्क का था वो, याद है कुछ? 2 मार्क का था। फर्स्ट वाला राइट है दिख रहा है, सेकंड वाला रॉन्ग। हाँ, मार्क उतने हुआ, लेकिन ये जो रॉन्ग रॉन्ग दे दो। और क्या हो गया फिर? मार्क उतने ही रहेगा, खाली रॉन्ग देना है, जो रॉन्ग था। उसके बाद आ जाओ सम क्वेश्चन नंबर 11th में। तो लास्ट वाला राइट है। हाँ, आप किधर भी सर्कल डाल देते हो क्या? मैंने सी में बोला था, लेकिन उसने उसका मीनिंग बराबर लिखा गलत है। उसमें सब राइट है, लेकिन मार्क अपन ने कट नहीं किया था। ठीक है, तो खाली वो राइट डाल दो बस। 1 मिनट और देखता हूँ। 1 मिनट रुको, 1 मिनट रुको। हाँ, अब ठीक है, अभी दे दो मार्क, भेज दो। अभी मार्क टोटल बराबर है, खाली वो आपका करेक्शन। हाँ, ठीक। हेलो, अभी गया अपन एटीट्यूड किया था ना, निकाल दो फिर। नहीं तो रुके क्या मंडे? निकाल दो, चाहे एक बार निकाल दो, चलेगा। ये तो मंडे तक रुकता है फिर, या 82 डाल के रखो, गया तो ठीक है, तो मंडे तक रुकता है। ठीक है, ठीक। हाँ डाल दूंगा अभी, आधे घंटे में डालूंगा। Is completed? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So we got expression for potential as 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon R, correct?
Yes, sir.
Now what is electric potential due to electric dipole? Due to point charge you got 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R. Now electric potential due to electric dipole. Dipole means two equal opposite charge
Yes, sir.
separated by finite distance. We have written 2L.
Yes.
O is center of dipole. So OA equals to OB equals to LL. Okay. Let P be a point at a distance R from center O such that line joining OP makes angle theta with axis. Draw AP and PB. Complete diagram till this. Yes, diagram you all have completed. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Then just write this much, whatever I have written. Consider electric dipole consisting of two equal and opposite charges minus q comma plus q separated by distance 2L. Let O be the center of dipole. Therefore, OA equal to OB equal to L. P be a point at distance R from center O such that line joining OB makes angle theta with its axis. Draw sec AP comma sec P.
हाँ सर वो भी आप गवर्नमेंट जॉब में है ना मुझे सुबह मोड़ी करके था उन्होंने बोला आपको वर्मा वर्मा करके उनके थ्रू नंबर मिला क्या मैंने बोला हाँ 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 ही बोली उनके थ्रू मिला ये मैसेज बताइए बता बोलना
Yes, completed. Hello.
Yes sir completed
Okay, just in diagram there is small part so that I can clear the diagram and start explaining you all. One small part in diagram. Ross said QM, AM and QN perpendicular to OP. Please draw this much. This two extra perpendicular A, M, B, N.
कैसे कैसे वो 10 मिनट लेट हो गए
Completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm just clearing everything now. Dipole has got two charge, positive and negative. So first I'm finding potential due to this Q at point P, then minus Q at point P, then we will add, then do some assumption. So electric potential at P due to charge Q at A, comma V1 equals to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught charge Q upon distance A P. Equation 1. Electric potential at P due to charge minus Q at B, comma B2 equals to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon Q upon PB minus Q upon PB equation 2. As potential is a scalar quantity, therefore resultant potential comma V is V1 plus V2. So this is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon Q upon PA plus minus Q upon PB. So V becomes 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q, 1 upon AP minus 1 upon PB. Let this be equation 3. Just copy till this. Now PA, PB I have to eliminate so that I get my answer.
Done, sir.
Everybody has done till this?
Yes, sir.
Others have done, please tell.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, just 1 second. AP and PB we have to eliminate, I said. Since L is very, very small than R, therefore AP is approximately PM. That means this AP is approximately this distance, PM. So extra part I have to remove. So AP is approximately OP minus OM. See, this is L, this is O, this is M, and this angle is theta. So what will be OM? Again I am repeating. This is O, this is A, this is angle theta, and this is L. So theta ka बाजू वाला, will it be L cos theta?
Yes.
So OP is R and OM is L cos theta. So we got AP value in terms of R L cos theta. P to B is approximately, this P to B is approximately Pn after drawing perpendicular. So PB is OP plus ON. Now ON is also same thing. This is perpendicular drawn, O to N. This is theta. This is L. Theta ka baju wala is L cos theta. So we'll get PB equals to R plus L cos theta. So PA we got R minus, PB we got R plus L cos theta. These two I will substitute in equation 3. Therefore, from 3, V equals to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q 1 upon R minus L cos theta minus 1 upon R plus L cos theta. So V will become q upon 4 pi epsilon naught R plus L cos theta minus R minus minus plus L cos theta upon R square minus L square cos square theta. Plus R minus R cancel. So V becomes q upon 4 pi epsilon naught 2L cos theta upon R square minus L square cos square theta. But 2Lq is P, which is called as electric dipole moment. Therefore, V is equals to P cos theta upon 4 pi epsilon naught R square minus L square cos square theta. Since L is very, very small than R, L square cos square theta can be neglected. Please copy this much, then 2 more lines, then we'll stop here. Whatever I've completed, test will be on this topic. It can be in MCQ format, plus theory, plus numerical, but nothing which I have not taught.
Done, sir.
Okay, everybody has done till last? Yes, everybody has done till end. Yes, from girl side. Yes, everybody has done. Ashley completed.
Done.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So today we'll stop here. Next class week Monday we'll meet on Monday. Coming week may your this chapter will get over completely. That means by 30th I will complete full by taking even extra class. So that full electrostatic unit is completed completely with MCQ. So next week be prepared for few extra lectures.